Page 25, long ago. I don't think I explained to you how to count eighth notes before. Hopefully you already knew. Or maybe you're just lost, you have no idea. So, of course, you can always go to another YouTube video, search around and find how to count eighth notes. However, I will explain it. So, as you know, this is common time, 4/4 time. Quarter note is getting a count. We're counting quarter notes. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, right? Okay. Well, an eighth note, the way I do it, is I put an and in between each number. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And each of those is an eighth note count. So long ago, in the left hand, because it's got eighth notes, it would be a 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. With that, you hopefully can figure out whatever the rhythm is. Now in the right hand you have quarter notes and eighth notes and some quarter rests, which are important. We want the whole quarter rest. So to play, say, the first line, just the first line, in the right hand, we're going 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And see, I'm off on 4 and, right? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And in this case, the fourth B is a rest, so it's 4. Now the end of the second line, it's a half rest, so that's 2 beats worth of rest. Just make sure you come up on beat 3. It's 1 and 2 and 3, and you come up on 3. Right at the beginning, first couple of measures, look at the fingering. Yeah, starting out with the thumb. Those last 2 eighth notes in the first measure, you got to move your hand up one and get them. So you're playing the 2 E's with third finger and the second finger. Try and get where you can move up one without looking at the keyboard, all right? And then at the end of the second measure, going into the third, you get a rest. To do this end, you got to go back down. Hopefully you don't have to look down at the keyboard to do that. You can just do it. Second line's the same as the first, sort of. As far as the fingering goes, it is. Now on the third line, look at this. You got to reach down with the thumb, all right? Don't try and jump down. Reach down. Okay. You can move the hand out a little bit. Hopefully your hand's big enough. Get that twice. Then the fourth line's the same as the second line, I think. That last measure at the bottom, the right hand has a half note for 2 counts and it's up on 3, but the left hand has a note on beat 3. That last C, that's on beat 3. So that C should be by itself. So you're here. You lift up on the right hand as you play the C. Then the C is 1 count. So make sure you lift up on beat 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So those are a couple gotchas to look for. I'm going to give us 4 counts. Let's try this together very slowly. Again, bring out the melody, because the tendency would be to play the left hand loud, because it's doing all this. Yuck. So bring out the melody. You can play the left hand real soft. You can experiment and try different loudnesses and see what you think. Here we go. C positions. Yeah. 1, 2, ready and go, and.